thank you for taking me on.
Yep.
Thank you for mentoring me. And like, I'm so grateful. Here's my money. And I really, it's like for a lot of people, it fries their brains that it's even possible
Well,
to have.
I love this. I love this because I personally had to grow through feeling like unworthy to deserve amazing A+++ triple A customers and clients, right? Like I in the beginning of coaching, I was like willing to serve just about everyone, and that was a strength. I had a lot of energy, I had a lot of confidence. I'm like, I can take on any problem, like a la Tony Robbins, bring anything to me, I'm gonna handle it, right? And then over time, like I just recognized that wasn't congruent, and I felt inauthentic. I felt out of integrity. I felt like I wasn't being my greatest possible self. I was still serving people and helping them get results, but internally I knew that there was something more. And so it took a couple years of really like looking at who am I and what do I stand for. And I even picked up a client. It was like last year, as recent as last year, and just like I knew I was making a difference, I was helping, but it wasn't transforming her life because of her willingness to kind of submit to the process and do what it takes. And she wasn't willing to get uncomfortable like the all-star clients were, like when you worked with me, like I would make calls, I would go to the events, I would network, I would like put myself out there and constantly be challenging myself and being as bold as I possibly can be and completing the assignments on time.
Yeah, I would give you assignments and you would actually do them without fighting me. You would
Right.
like, okay, I'll do this.
Right. So it's like simple stuff. And like last year, like I was saying, I was working with this woman, worked with her for over a year, and like just actually it was yesterday. I gave her a call and I said, "Listen, like I've loved working with you. You're an amazing human being, but we're just not on the same path of intensity and contributing to each other. So this isn't like coaching's not going to work. I'm here for you. I love you. Let me know if there's anything that I can do to support you. But as far as a coaching capacity, I'm going to have to let you go because I don't want to." Have my boundaries like demonstrating to the universe and God that, oh, I'll take anyone. No, I only work with world changers. And I attracted this woman from Australia, Jessica Vieira, a couple of weeks ago, and she signed up for podcast coaching. And she is freaking hungry.